Hey there, I'm Carmen. I'm the CEO of Impact Myofunctional Therapy, and today I'm talking about if a frenectomy hurts. Now remember, I'm answering this based on my experience of working with thousands of clients who have had frenectomies, but I've never had it done, so I don't know. But I will tell you this, I think it's tricky to judge somebody else's pain. My granddaughter had it done and she really had no pain issues. I've had other clients tell me that it feels like worse than having a baby, which I think might be overkill as well. But this is what I tell people. It really depends upon your pain tolerance. You're gonna have a couple days, like day 2 and 3 or day 3 and 4, somewhere in there where it's pretty tender. I have been told it feels like, a big canker sore. Also how deep the release had to be done. If it gets more into the muscle, then the connective tissue instead is that the muscular release is going to be more painful. So I always tell clients, take a couple days off of work. I think the biggest thing is most people are so happy that they've had it done because they have so much more range of motion, they have less tension, and they are super happy. So there you go. Does it hurt? Going to depend on your pain threshold. Everybody's different.